it's time to highlight with our liquid highlighters. These are so beautiful. I'm just going to show you a little bit on the skin. These have vitamin A, C, E in it. And it has ginseng, it has moisture, it's a beautiful pinky gold. And this can be used on the skin. And you want to highlight bones. So you want to put it around your eyes, you can put it down your nose, you can put it on your cheekbones. It will condition your skin, but it will also give you a beautiful highlighter. We do have powder highlighters, we have cream highlighters, but this is our liquid highlighter. So you're gonna have a lot of skincare benefits with this. It's great for skin that's older so that you're not gonna have a very high glittery look on the skin. You're just gonna let the sun hit, or the light hit the skin, and it's just gonna illuminate. So it comes in a larger size in our airless pump. So this will go all the way up to the top so you get everything out, or it comes in our little mini airless pump. So they feel so good on the skin and they just give you a great glow. It comes in our Rose Glam highlighter and also our I Am Glam highlighter, which has a little bit more bronze to it. So highlight away.